Hello and welcome to the Heat Transfer Lab tutorial video. In this video, we're going to learn how to measure in the Heat Transfer Lab. And in this case, the first step is to consider which liquid will raise its temperature the fastest among water, salt water, oil, or alcohol. The one that you think would probably rise the fastest, go ahead and pick that and make it your hypothesis. So I'm just going to pick one at random. You can see that becomes my hypothesis. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to do some measurements. You'll notice that you have to pick the liquid on the left and the right side. So when I pick one of these, you'll start to understand what I'm talking about. Say I pick water left cup. There's actually two cups in the video. On the left is the warm and on the right is cold. In between them is a bar that conducts the heat. So when I press play, you're going to see sort of a zoomed out version of that. You can see the temperatures changing on the two thermometers sticking out of the cups. And then when we go to measure, we're going to see a close-up version of the cup that we're measuring. So here's a nice zoomed in close-up version, some instructions. We're going to click on top of the red liquid. Now this was the left cup with the water. So you can see it starts out pretty hot. Not quite 70 degrees. Looks like it started about 68 degrees. And that's Celsius, so that's quite warm. You can see that each time I click, the temperature adjusts. I click again, little marks are being made where I'm clicking, and those points are moving into a data table, and you can see that I'm measuring about every 2 minutes here. So once I've finished measuring the left cup, for one liquid, say water here, I'll then measure the right cup. I can look at those two data sets together and I can see how fast the temperature changed for water. Do that for all four of the liquids and learn how heat transfers in this Pitsco Smart Science Lab. Oh, and don't forget to save your data with the save button. And you'll notice then it goes into your data table and gets colored here.